start with chapter number 4, understanding law. So in this chapter, I will tell you about origin of law. So the term law finds a roots in the Latin word lag, which carries rich meaning, encompassing concept like definiteness, regulation, stability and uniformity. ये क्या signify करता है? That firmly established, followed and maintained within a community or society. So without these laws, chaos and confusion would regain and peace and order would become elusive. Now, necessity of law. So we can say that law serve as a critical role in preventing unjust social practice. So historically, we have certain practice like untouchability subjected to millions of individuals to enduring suffering. To practice it has forced people into degrading and polluting work, perpetuating centuries of discrimination. It was only through the intervention of the government. That is deeply unjust practice, right? Equality before law. In accordance with the Indian Constitution, all individuals are considered equal before law. Law is designed in such a manner that it does not discriminate based on the factors like religious or caste or gender. So it is a fundamental principle that apply uniformly to all citizens of the country without exception. So each crime or violation of the law is associated with a specified punishment and clearly defined process for establishing guilt of the person involved. Right? So we can say that 2100 CE Code of Ur-Namu, one of the earliest known legal code, was established with the city-state of Ur, which is now a part of modern-day Iraq. किसका part है? Modern-day Iraq का part. Right? Throughout the history, law has played a crucial role in governing society. In ancient times, these laws were often unequal, favoring certain groups, like being harsh on others. For instance, upper caste has less strict laws as compared to lower caste. So during British colonial era, Indians faced strict laws. While the British have what they did, they enjoyed lenient treatment and the Sedition Act, which allowed to arrest and protect or criticize the British government without a fair trial. Right? So Indian nationalists strongly opposed such discriminatory law and they advocated for equal rights. So in 19th century, India became using a legal system to challenge British rule. So we can say that Indian Constitution established a law that applied equally to all. Okay? Now we can say that various societal groups raise the need for specific law, which are then addressed by Parliament. जिससे आप क्या address कर सकते हो? People's concern. ठीक है? Significant issues क्या है? Lack of legal right for Indian girls to inherit father's property, with property typically passing to their brothers upon their father's death. How new laws are established? जो नए laws हैं वो कैसे establish हुए हैं? The Indian Parliament is instrumental in formulation of new law. ये crucial. It is crucial for the Parliament. बहुत crucial होता है Parliament के लिए to be attend the needs of the people. So enactment of the Protection for Women from Domestic Violence Act 2006 was direct response to the persistent efforts of women organizations. Right? Now compliance with law. Adherence to law ensures the preservation of law and order in the society. और ये किसको कंट्रीब्यूट करता है? स्टेबिलिटी को और सेफ्टी को. लॉज ऑफ्टन एम्स टू प्रमोट वेलबीइंग ऑफ द कम्युनिटी एज होल एंड लॉज कल्टिवेट अ सेंस ऑफ कंफर्मिटी टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड. राइट? नाउ अनपॉपुलर एंड अनकंट्रोवर्शियल लॉ. सो वी कैन से दैट लॉज इनेक्टेड बाय द पार्लियामेंट मे फेस पब्लिक अपोजिशन ड्यू टू परसीव्ड अनफेयरनेस और हार्म. So such law they become unpopular and what they generated? Controversy. People express their dissent through various means like newspaper, television, protest and media. So in a democratic society, अगर हम बात करें इस democratic society में citizen have right to challenge. वो अपने unjust law को challenge कर सकते हैं, right? Either through public pressure leading to legislative reason or by seeking legal remedies like municipal laws हो गए such as those governing parties. As responsible citizen, active engagement in the matter of law and governance is vital. Participation of citizen and media ये एक pivotal role play करता है affecting change in the laws. Rosa Parks on December 1, 1995 when she refused to give her seat to a white man, sparking the civil rights movement in US. And what happened? Ultimately, enactment of Civil Rights Act 1965 was abolished. Social discrimination in the United States. जो social discrimination था ना आपके US में, वो इस Civil Rights Act ने क्या करा? Abolish कर. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.